In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the hosting services from hosting.com and manage your account using myhosting.com. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just starting out with hosting services, understanding these steps will make managing your website smoother and more efficient. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to hosting.com, a platform renowned for its speedy service and reliability. You can easily do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hosting.com into the address bar. Once there, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly homepage that is designed to make navigation as simple as possible. Now, on the homepage, you'll notice various options and features highlighted. This homepage serves as a gateway to exploring the diverse hosting services they offer. The highlighted areas usually contain the latest offers or key features that could be beneficial for your hosting needs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with these sections as they can provide quick access to some of the most valuable tools on the platform. Once you've explored this section, let's turn our attention to logging into your account on my.hosting.com. To do this, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will redirect you to the login page. Now that you're at the login page, you'll see two fields, one for your username or email and the other for your password. Here, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Make sure you're typing them correctly and double check any auto-filled entries if you've chosen to save your credentials previously. It's important to keep your login details secure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll gain access to your account dashboard. This dashboard is your command center where you can manage your hosting services, modify account settings, and monitor the performance of your websites. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with its layout and features, as this will make your account management more intuitive and efficient. And there you have it, the basic steps to navigate and utilize hosting.com services and access your account on myhosting.com. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore the features available to you and find what works best for your hosting needs. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy hosting!